Hello my dear students, first of all good morning to everyone and how are you all? I hope you all are very well. My dear students, in this lecture we will continue our exercise 3.6 of chapter number 3 which name is pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay students, now we start. We have solved already part number 1 of question number 1. In this lecture we will start from part number 2 of question number 1. Okay, and what is the question? 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2, and the second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Okay, we have given non-linear equation, and these equations we have to convert, we have to reduce in linear equation. After reducing these equation into linear equation, then we will solve. Okay, now let 1 upon root x is equal to u. Okay, and now 1 upon root y is equal to v. That is first step of your question. 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Now the equation become 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Okay, you can write in this way: 1 upon root x is equal to u, means 2u. 3 multiply 1 upon root y, 3, and this is v, 3v is equal to 2. 2 will be same. Okay, now from this equation 4 will be same. 1 upon root x, 1 upon root x will be u minus 1 upon root y will be v, and this will be 9v is equal to minus 1. Suppose this is equation number 2. Dear students, we have these two equations. Okay, and we can solve these equations by 3 methods. First method is substitution method, second method is elimination method, and third method is cross multiplication method. Part number 1 we have solved by substitution method. This question we can solve by elimination method. Okay, we will apply different method in different equations. Okay, we can apply, but this is not necessary. Okay, now if you multiply by 2 in this equation, what will we get? 4u plus 6v. Okay, and 2 to the 4. Suppose this is equation number 3. Okay, now we can cancel, we can minus 4u positive and this 4u is negative, we can cancel, and minus 9v and minus 6v, minus minus will be positive, means minus 15v is equal to minus 1 and minus 4, minus 5. We can cancel minus by minus. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, means 3v is equal to 1, or we can write v is equal to 1 upon 3. What we will get? V is equal to 1 upon 3. Now put v is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation number first or second or third, whatever equations you have, you can put the value of v in that equation. Now we will put v is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation number 1. 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. We can put 2u plus 3 multiply v. What is v? V is equal to 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. We can cancel 3 by 3. 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. 2u is equal to, this is positive 1 and this will be negative 1 in right side. 2 minus 1 will be 1, or we can write u is equal to 1 upon 2. u is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay students, we have v is equal to 1 upon 3 and u is equal to 1 upon 2, but we have to find the value of x and y. We have 1 upon root x is equal to u, okay, and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Now 1 upon root x is equal to u. What is the value of u? U is equal to 1 upon 2, okay, and 1 upon root y is equal to v. What is the value of v? 1 by 3, okay. Now numerator upon denominator is equal to numerator upon denominator. Same thing is here, we can cross multiply. Root x 1 ja root x, okay, and 2 1 ja 2, and here root y will be same and 3 1 ja 3, okay. 2 is the value of root x and 3 is the value of root y, but we have to find the value of x and y. Now we can squaring on both the sides. Root x square is equal to 2 square and root y square is equal to 3 square, okay. Square will cancel root and what we will remain? X is equal to 2 square will be 4, means x is equal to 4, and same thing apply here. Y is equal to 3 square will be 9, okay. Dear students, we can find the value of x and y after applying this method. Okay students, now we will start part number 3rd of question number 1. We have given two equations. First one is 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14, and second one is 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. Now these are very easy equations and we can solve these equations by using same method. Let 1 upon x is equal to u, and don't need to take 1 upon y, okay. Here y is not in the denominator, y is in the numerator, okay. Don't worry about y. Let 1 upon x is equal to u, then 4u plus 3y is equal to 14, okay, no problem. 4 multiply 1 upon x, 4 multiply 1 upon x, and 1 upon x is equal to u, means 4 and this is u, 4u plus 3y will be same is equal to 14. Suppose this is equation number 1, okay, and 3 multiply 1 upon x, 1 upon x is equal to u, and this is 3, means 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Suppose this is equation number 2nd. We have these two equations and we can solve these two equations by 3 methods again. Now in this question we are about to apply cross multiplication method, and tell me one thing, can we write this equation into this form? 4u plus 3y minus 14 is equal to 0. Can we write? This 14 is positive in right side and this will be minus 14 in left side, okay, and 3u minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 0, okay. Now suppose we have these two equations and we will apply cross multiplication method. Now first of all u upon, now y upon, and now 1 upon, okay. Because we have two variables, first variable is u and second variable is y. Now denominator of u will be coefficients of y and constant term 3 and minus 4, and what are the constant terms? Minus 14 minus 23, okay, and denominator of y will be constant terms minus 14 minus 23 and coefficient of u 4 3, okay, and denominator of 1 will be coefficients of u and y 4, 3 and 3 minus 4. Dear students, you have to remember one thing always. Denominator of u do not contain the coefficients of u. Denominator of y do not contain the coefficients of y, and denominator of 1 do not contain the constant terms. Remember this thing always. Now u upon is equal to y upon is equal to 1 upon. Okay, now we can cross multiplication. 3 multiply minus 23 will be minus 69, minus 4 multiply minus 42 will be 56. 56 will be same, and negative sign will remain according to this rule. Y upon minus 23 multiply 3, this will be minus 42, minus 23 multiply 4, this will be minus 92, and this is minus also, means this will be plus 92. Okay, now 4 multiply minus 4, this will be minus 16, minus sign will remain same, and 3 multiply 3, this will be 9. Okay, now u upon is equal to y upon is equal to 1 upon minus 69 and minus 56. 6, 9, 15, carry 1, 7 and 5, 12, means this will be minus 25. Okay, minus will be plus but with negative sign. Now y upon 92 minus 42, this will be 50, positive 50. Okay, now 1 upon minus 16 minus 9, this will be negative positive but with negative sign, minus 25. Okay, we can cancel by 25. 25 1 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, and 25 5 ja 125. Okay, we can write u upon minus 5, u upon minus 5 is equal to y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Dear students, we have three equal terms. We have three equal terms. We can take two equal terms. Now u upon minus 5 is equal to 1 upon minus 1, and y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Okay, numerator upon denominator is equal to numerator upon denominator. In both the conditions we can cross multiplication. Minus will be cancel minus, u is equal to 5, u is equal to 5, and y is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we have y is equal to minus 2, but u is equal to 1 upon x. We can put 1 upon x is equal to 5. Okay, or x is equal to 1 upon 5, means x is equal to 1 upon 5 and y is equal to minus 2. These are the solution. Now I hope you all are understand, and now we will start part number 4 of question number first. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. This is first equation, and second one is 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now in this question we can let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u. Okay, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Okay, 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Now equation will be changed. 5u plus v is equal to 2. This will be first equation. Okay, 5 multiply 1 upon x minus 1 is the value of u, means this will be 5u, and this is the value of v, means 5u plus v is equal to 2. This will be equation number 1, and 6 multiply 1 upon x minus 1, and 1 upon x minus 1 is the value of u, means this will be 6u, minus 3 multiply 1 upon y minus 2. Okay, means minus 3v is equal to 1. This will be question number second. In these equations, we can apply any one of the given methods. First method is substitution method, second method is elimination method, and third method is cross multiplication method. And in this question, we can apply the elimination method. Now we can multiply by 3, okay, to equation number 1. 3 multiply 5u will be 15u. 3 multiply v will be plus 3v is equal to 3 multiply 2 will be 6. Suppose this is equation number 3rd. Now we can plus equation number 2 and 3. 6u plus 15u, this will be 21u, and minus 3v plus 3v, this will be cancel, is equal to 1 plus 6, this will be 7. And now 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja, this will be 3u is equal to 1, or we can write u is equal to 1 upon 3, and we can put this value in any equation. Put u is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation number first, okay. 5 multiply u is 1 upon 3, and plus v is equal to 2, okay. 5 multiply 1 upon 3, this is 5 upon 3 with positive sign, and this 5 upon 3 will be negative in right side. We can write in this way, v is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3, okay. Now v is equal to, we can take LCM, 2 multiply 3 will be 6, 6 minus 5 will be 1, means 1 upon 3. V is equal to 1 upon 3. We have u is equal to 1 upon 3 and v is equal to 1 upon 3, means both the values are same, but we have to find the value of x and y. We have 1 upon x minus 1. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Okay students, 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. We can put the value of u and v. X minus 1 is equal to u. What is the value of u? 1 upon 3. And 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. V is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. We can apply cross multiplication. X minus 1 multiplied by 1 will be x minus 1. Is equal to 3 1 ja 3, and y minus 2 multiplied by 1, y minus 2, and 3 1 ja 3, okay. We can write x is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4, and here y is equal to 3 plus 2, this will be 5. Okay students, we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now we start part number 5 of question number 1. 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5, and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Now here one thing is same, xy and xy is the denominator in both the equations. Xy is the denominator of 7x minus 2y, means we can write in this form, 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy. Okay, I hope you have no problem in this case. Xy is the denominator of 7x minus 2y. It means that xy is the denominator of 7x and xy is also the denominator of 2y. Now 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Okay. Now we can cancel x by x and y by y. Okay. We can cancel x by x and y by y. Okay. Now 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5, and 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Now the equations are same like as given in part number 1. Okay, we can put 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Okay, we can let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Now the equation 7 multiply 1 upon y, 7 multiply 1 upon y means 7v. Okay, 7 will be same and 1 upon y is equal to v means 7v minus 2, this will be u. Okay, 2 same and 1 upon x is equal to u. Okay, 7v minus 2u is equal to 5. Suppose this is equation number 1. And now this equation 8 multiply 1 upon y, 1 upon y is equal to v means this will be 8v plus this will be 7 multiply 1 upon x means 7u is equal to 15. Suppose this is equation number 2nd. Now from first 7v is equal to, this 2u is negative sign in left side and this will be positive in right side means 2u plus 5. Okay, 7v is equal to 2u plus 5 or v is equal to 2u plus 5 upon 7. Okay, 7 is in the multiplication in left side and this 7 will be in the division in right side. Suppose v is equal to 2u plus 5 upon 7. This is equation number 3rd. Okay, put the value of v in equation number 2. Okay, v is equal to 2u plus 5 upon 7. This equation we have find from equation number 1. Okay, and now we can put this value in equation number 2. 8 multiply v is equal to 2u plus 5, 2u plus 5 upon 7. Okay, plus 7u is equal to 15. Okay, now we can take the LCM. Okay, LCM will be 7. We can write here LCM will be 7. 8 multiply 2u, this will be 16u. 8 multiply 5, this will be 40. Now we can take denominator 1. 7 multiply 7, this will be 49u is equal to 15. Okay, now 16u plus 49u, this will be u. Okay, 16u and 49u, this will be 65u. Okay, 6 plus 9 will be 15 and 1 4 5 and 1 carry will be 6 plus 40 is equal to 7 multiply 15, this will be 105 means 105. 15 7 ja 105. Now 65u is equal to 105 minus 40 is equal to 105 minus 40, this will be 65 and we can cancel 65 1 ja 65 means u is equal to 1. U is equal to 1. Put u is equal to 1 in equation number 3rd. Okay, we have u is equal to 1 and we can put this value in equation number 3rd. What is equation number 3rd? V is equal to 2u plus 5 upon 7. 2u, 2 multiply u. What is the value of u? 1 plus 5 upon 7. Okay, 2 multiply 1, this will be 2 and 5 upon 7 means 7 upon 7. 7 cancel होगा means v is equal to 1. We have u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1 means both the values are same. Now we have to find the value of x and y. We can write here 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Okay, 1 upon x is equal to, what is the value of u? U is 1 and 1 upon y is equal to v. Value of v, this is also 1. Now we can cross multiplication. 1 is equal to x multiply 1, this will be x, and 1 is equal to y multiply 1, this will be y. Now we can write x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This will be the solution of given equations. Okay students, now we start part number 6 of question number 1. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. This is the same question, okay, but there is different thing. We can write 6x plus 3y upon this xy, okay, this will be 6 because this xy is in the multiplication with 6. Okay, we can take this xy into division in left side, and same thing we can apply 2x plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. Okay, now we can write 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6 and 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. Okay, we can cancel y by y, x by x, x by x and y by y. Okay, now we have 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6 and 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. Okay, now let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. We can write in this form 6 multiply 1 upon y. 1 upon y is equal to v, means this will be 6v plus 3 multiply 1 upon x. 1 upon x is equal to u, means this will be 3u is equal to 6. Suppose this is equation number 1, and from this equation 2 multiply 1 upon y. 1 upon y is equal to v, means this will be 2v plus 4 multiply 1 upon x. 4 multiply 1 upon x. 1 upon x is equal to u, this will be 4u is equal to 5. Equation number 2. We have these two linear equations, okay, in two variables u and v. In these two linear equations we can apply any one of the methods, but here we will apply elimination method, and for applying the elimination method we can multiply by 3 in equation number 2. After multiplying by 3, this will be 6v plus 3 multiply 4u, this will be 12u is equal to 3 multiply 5, this will be 15. Suppose this is equation number 3rd. Okay, and we can write equation number first 6v plus 3u is equal to 6. This is equation number first. We can subtract equation number first from the equation number 3rd. Sign will be changed, minus minus minus. Okay, 6v will be cancelled. Now 12u minus 3u, this will be 9u is equal to 15 minus 6, this will be 9, and 9 1 ja 9, means we get u is equal to 1. We get u is equal to 1. Now put u is equal to 1 in equation number first. And what is equation number 1? 6v plus 3u is equal to 6. 6v plus 3u is equal to 6. 6v plus 3 multiply u is equal to 1 is equal to 6, means 6v plus 3 multiply 1, this will be 3 is equal to 6. 6v is equal to, this 3 will be negative in right side, 6 minus 3 will be 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, means 2v is equal to 1, or we can write v is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay students, we have u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1 upon 2, but we have to find the values of x and y. Now we have 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. We can put the value of u and v. 1 upon x is equal to u. What is the value of u? U is 1, and 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 is equal to x multiply 1, this will be x, and 2 multiply 1, this will be 2, and y multiply 1, this will be 1, means y is equal to 2, and from here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This will be the solution of equations which we have given. Okay students, now we start part number 7. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4, and second one equation is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. We can apply same method in these two equations also. Let 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, okay, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. 10 multiply 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, okay, 10 will be same, and this is 1 upon x plus y, this is equal to u, plus 2 multiply 1 upon x minus y, means 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. This 2 will be same, and this is v, means this will be 2v is equal to 4. Suppose this is equation number 1. Okay students, now from this equation 15 multiply 1 upon x plus y, this will be 15u, and minus 5 multiply 1 upon x minus y, okay, this will be minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now we have these two linear equations in two variables. Here u and v are two variables. We can apply any one of the methods. Now in these equations we will apply substitution method. Now from equation number 1, 2v is equal to 4 minus 10u. Can we write in this form? 10u is positive in left side, this 10u will be negative in right side, means 2v is equal to 4 minus 10u. 2v is equal to 4 minus 10u, and or we can write v is equal to 4 minus 10u upon 2. Suppose this is equation number 3. We have find this value from equation number 1. If we have find this value from equation number 1, we can put this value in equation number 2, not in equation number 1. Put the value of v in equation 2. What is second equation? 15u. 15 multiply u will be same, minus 5v, v is equal to 4 minus 10u upon 2, okay, is equal to minus 2. We can take the LCM. LCM will be 2. 15u multiply 2, this will be 30u, minus 5 multiply 4, this will be minus 20. 5 multiply minus 10u, this will be minus 50u, and this is negative, means this will be plus 50u is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2 will be same. 2 will be multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2 multiply 2, this will be minus 4, and 50u plus 30u, this will be 80u. 80u minus 20 is equal to minus 4. Okay, or we can write 80u is equal to minus 20 will be positive 20 and minus 4, 20 minus 4, this will be 16, positive 16. 16 1 जा 16 and 16 5 जा 80, or we can write in this form 5u. 5u is equal to 1, or we can write u is equal to 1 upon 5. U is equal to 1 upon 5 because 5 is in the multiplication in left side and this 5 will be in division in right side. Okay, we get u is equal to 5. Now put u is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation number 3rd. Okay, we can put u is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation number 3rd. What is equation number 3rd? V is equal to 4 minus 10u. 4 minus 10 u. U means 1 upon 5 upon this is 2. Now v is equal to 10 minus 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10 and 2 multiply 1 will be 2, means 4 minus 2. This is 4. 4 minus 2 upon 2 means v is equal to 4 minus 2, this is 2 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, means v is equal to 1. We get v is equal to 1. V is equal to 1 and u is equal to 1 upon 5, but we have to find the value of x and y. Now we have 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to u is equal to 1 upon 5, and we can write here 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. Okay, 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. Here we can write 1 upon x minus y is equal to v is equal to 1, or we can write 1 is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by 1, this will be x minus 1, or we can write x minus y is equal to 1. Here x plus y multiply 1, this will be x plus y, and 5 multiply 1, this will be 5. Suppose this is equation number A and this is equation number B. Okay, x plus y is equal to 5, this is equation number A, and x minus y is equal to 1, this is equation number B. We can add both the equations. X minus y is equal to 1, this is equation number B. We can add plus y and minus y will be cancelled, and x plus x, this will be 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, this will be 6. 2 3 just 6 means x is equal to 3. We get x is equal to 3 and put x is equal to 3 in any equation. We can put in equation A. X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Put 3 in place of y and y will be same. We have to find y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 3 is positive in left side, this will be negative, means 5 minus 3, this will be 2, means x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This will be the solution of these equations which we have given. Okay students, now we start part number 8. First equation is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and second equation is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This is same question, we can apply the same method in this question also. Let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u, okay, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. Now 1 upon 3x plus y, this is equal to u, and 1 upon 3x minus y, this is equal to v, means u plus v is equal to 3 upon 4. U plus v is equal to 3 upon 4, or we can write this is 4 in the division and this will be in the multiplication in left side, means we can multiply 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. Okay, suppose this is equation number 1. Now from the equation number 2, 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y, this is equal to u, and 2 is in the division, means u upon 2, u upon 2 minus 1 upon 3x minus y, this is v, and upon 2 means v upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. We can take the LCM, 2 is the LCM, here u minus v is equal to minus 1 upon 8. We can cancel 2 4 ja 8, okay, means u minus v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. We can take this 4 in multiplication in left side, means this will be 4u, this will be 4u, and minus 4v is equal to minus 1. I hope you all are understand. 4u minus 4v is equal to minus 1. Now we have these two linear equations, 4u plus 4v is equal to 3 and 4u minus 4v is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. We can apply any one of the methods, but here we can apply elimination method. We can add both the equations. This 4v is positive and this is negative, we can cancel, and 4u plus 4u, this will be 8u is equal to 3 plus minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8, means 4u is equal to 1, or we can write u is equal to 1 upon 4. U is equal to 1 upon 4. Put this value, put u is equal to 1 upon 4 in any equation. We can put in equation 2, okay, u is equal to 1 upon 4. What is equation number 2? 4u minus 4v is equal to minus 1, okay. Now 4 multiply u is 1 upon 4 minus 4v is equal to minus 1. 4 1 ja 4, 1 multiply 1, this will be 1 minus 4v is equal to minus 1, okay. Now we can take this 4v in right side with positive sign. 4v, this is negative 1, negative 1 will be positive 1 in left side, and here plus 1 is already 1 and 1, this will be 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, means 1 is equal to 2v. 2 is in multiplication in right side, we can take this in division in left side. 1 upon 2 is equal to v, or we can write v is equal to 1 upon 2, okay. We have v is equal to 1 upon 2 and u is equal to 1 upon 4, but we have to find the value of x and y. Now we have 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u, okay, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v, okay, and we can write 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u. What is the value of u? 1 upon 4, okay, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. What is the value of v? V is equal to 1 upon 2, okay students. Now numerator upon denominator is equal to numerator upon denominator. In both the terms we can cross multiplication apply. 3x plus y is equal to 4 multiply 1, this will be 4. Suppose this is equation number A, okay, and 3x minus y multiply by 1, this will be 3x minus y is equal to 2 multiply 1, this will be 2. Suppose this is equation number B, okay. Now we can add both the equations, a plus b, plus y will be cancelled with minus y, 3x and 3x will be 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 will be 6, 6 1 ja 6, means x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. We can put x is equal to 1 in equation A or B, okay. X is equal to 1. What is equation number A? 3x plus y 3x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, 3 multiply x is equal to 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 multiply 1, this will be 3 plus y is equal to 4. This is positive 3 and we can take this 3 with negative sign in right side, means 4 minus 3 will be 1, y is equal to 1. Okay students, we have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution of the given equations. Okay students, now we have completed question number 1, which contain 8 parts. Okay students,